Ishe mwari baba ndakumbira. It's like city. Oyo. Maida se. Mana ngaba ngono kana wana no join nawo mana. Ngaba ngono kana wana no join na. Ya mna join ndunguro comment. Nezva ndirauzama kuona. Ndumuro kukomenda kuti hello how are you? Ndumbo mna join comment. Ndakuona kuti ma comments ari kwapera pa screen now. Pazvo ndikutotsaya. Ndumuro comment mna join. Can you please comment? Mna join ndumuro comment. Just anything. When I join and don't comment, man. Just comment anything. Because I'm trying something here. Ndauza makuona kuti ndokwanisa kustreama chat chapa screen, ma comments chapa screen like. Feel me? So when I comment and don't when I join and don't comment, kana kuti wagwan, kana kuti ndepi. I can't see your comments, guys. I can see your comments. Can you please comment? Or maybe my comments are just to bude. Chat setting. Okay. Can you please comment, guys? Can you please comment? I can't see your comments. Ma wanthira pa chat numburo mjena mana. Mana numburo mu comment mana. Maybe ndiri kuita error man. But asikuna ma comments in. There's this application atuzama ku stream naro, you feel me? And Dragona, if it can put my comments by screen up. So I decided to test, application I was using this using this backup account because I didn't wanted to log in main account yangu ndasinga kuisa babo because I wasn't trusting the app. So right now I'm streaming through that app. And I wanna see if it can put my comments by top right now. So guys, can you please comment something? Can you please just comment something? Maybe you can see from there. I don't know. Maybe you can see comments from there, but I can't see them commenting. If you're commenting, maybe I will see them after the live. I don't know. But anyways, we say man, Twitter say gonna say man, I should speed the Muslim. Twitter say, chat, what are we doing today? What are we doing today? Speed Muslim. I wanted to go live for you guys, and I wanted to arkupi and I wanna win a live, but man, I can't see the chat, so Najitro Simbe. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching Genshin Borara. I didn't sleep. I was like opening my eyes all night. I didn't sleep. I didn't sleep the whole night, guys. I was trying to figure out if I can get an app that I can use to stream today. And I will speed down Zimbabwe. You never know. No one was what my show speed. So yeah, unfortunately, that has not been streaming right. So I'm not gonna go there streaming. Anyways, guys, I wanted you to comment on screen now. Maybe you're commenting because the app that I'm using, I'm not trusting it also. Maybe when my city, I don't know. Bye. I don't know. In this scene, create a scene, do it well. Create a scene. Chat. Okay. Wait, chat. Stay tuned, Magada. Panisha ndaona bana. Get it is showing on stream. Okay. Guys, mbona memory pabo timbona. Mbona memory pabo tone. Okay. Maybe delete this one. Delete this one. Save. Save and proceed. Okay. Save. Okay. Please, got it. Chat enabled. Amanda, please comment again. Please comment again. Can you please comment again? That's chat enabled. Can you please comment again? Just comment on the high praise or something. To go on the high praise one. Chat enabled. Can you please comment? Can you please just type out something?